Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and this is another Friday update. Good news, things are going good. The facility that we're in here, this is our temporary facility. We're going to be here 6 months to a year. We were lucky, we were right across the street. That's our old door over there. And so my guys have been working for a week and a half now of getting this set up to where we can get to production. And let me show you a little bit about what we got going on. So this is our new production facility, much smaller than our previous one, but it's actually a really nice facility. So is what we've got accomplished this week. We just finished. We've got had the electrician here for 3 days. We've got power to our edge banding machine that puts the edges on your cabinets, your doors and your shelves. We added an additional dust collection system to that and just finished hooking up that dust collection on that machine today. We've got an additional lift. We've got another dust collector that's going to run our CNC that's going here. We got a bunch of electrical in. My guys put air lines in. We added a bunch of lights. And so this space behind me here, where that red cart is and those lift tables are, that is where our new CNC machine is going to go. That's the hard worker of the company that does all of the drilling and cutting and everything. That's the one that I mentioned last week that we secured in North Carolina. As we speak, it's getting loaded on a truck and will be making its way here westbound. And it will be here delivered to our facility Thursday morning of next week. A little bit longer than I wanted, but actually not too bad. It'll be here Thursday morning. We've got the riggers that'll unload it and put it in place. Myself and the local sales rep will start the installation on it. And the following Monday, we will have the factory technician here. So that'll be Monday, I think that's the 28th. Factory technician. And if all goes well, we should be midweek be cutting parts for jobs. And when we're comfortable with that, we will start scheduling people for installations. It's going to take us a little bit to get back in our production groove, being that we're in a new facility, get our stuff down, and we can get back to the level of production that we were before. But we're 25 days, and next week will be a few more days. We'll get back to doing installations and taking care of you guys. So once again, I appreciate everybody's patience and hanging in there with us while we go through this. We've got lots of emails from you guys. I've got people that have said that they're praying for us and that they're patient and hoping the best for us. And my guys really appreciate that. We really appreciate it. The last thing I'm going to say, this is my commercial at the end here. Our insurance company has been amazing on this. They haven't questioned one expense on anything. They've advanced this money. That company is Liberty Mutual, and I don't know, maybe other companies work that way too. I know the guys next door, they're still waiting on stuff, and Liberty Mutual sent us an advance on things to get things rolling, and they have done a great job and have had our back the whole way. So if you're looking for insurance for anything, for whether it's business, car, or whatever, check out Liberty Mutual. They've done a great job for us, and we're very thankful for them to give us the means necessary to get back into production. I hope everybody has a good weekend. If you have any questions or anything like that, contact the office. Let them know. I can give you a call directly if we need to. And like I said, we should be back up and doing installs first, second week. We'll be scheduling the first week of April. We'll start scheduling for sure when we know exactly what's going on. So thanks a lot for hanging in with us and being a part of our company, helping us keep our people employed. We're looking forward to getting our work done for you. Thank you. Have a good weekend.